Hello, so as promised, I'm just tuning in to run you through in a little bit more detail how I use this incredible Body Gua Sha tool. There are other videos I've taken on what the benefits are of Body Gua Sha, but in short, so I do have a look at those, but in short, incredible for circulation, lymphatic drainage, tense muscles, and in turn then just really helping generally with your health, but also and well-being, but also sleep especially, which is why the main time I use this tool actually is in the evening. So in the evening the thing I will do the most is actually washing my feet. That's also a technique which has been used for thousands of years in Chinese medicine. So I'll wash my feet and then I'll put some oil on my feet, and then I'll literally use this tool, and you can't get it wrong, but there are loads of reflexology and acupressure points all along here. And the great thing about the way this is shaped is you can just go around those types of areas here. Okay, so just going around these areas, hopefully you can see that. And a great one, and you can also do the top, but just make sure you're using some oil. But a great one to use is just around with that shape, with the V shape here, just around the back here. Really relaxing in the evening. But have a play with that. So feet I basically do every evening because you've got so many acupressure points and reflexology points and everything around there, so you're stimulating all sorts of areas. Now the areas I use the most for lymphatic drainage generally, and also in terms of where we've got loads of meridians, is this area here. So I'm going to show you how I use it on clothes. So when I'm wearing clothes, you can wear it, do it through using clothes, but it ideally actually just on bare skin with oil. So hopefully you can see that. So this area, you've got loads of meridians running along here. This area is great for lymphatic drainage, as well as literally underneath the armpits and coming into this area here. Okay, so those are the areas you want to gua sha. And a really great one method to use in terms of digestion is just gua shaing all the way down here across your belly. This is great to use, so I use it that way usually. So from the middle line outwards. Okay, and this is a great one to use to prevent bloating, any kind of digestive problems. But the key one I use also in the evening for relaxation, because we all hold loads of tension in here, and the great thing about this tool is it gets into places where A, you can't necessarily reach or get to with your fingers, and B, it functions so much stronger than any even strong fingertips can do. And that's why it's great that it's made of medical grade stainless steel. So I've got oil on my chest area already. Okay, and now this is where I can demonstrate a little bit what it looks like and what to not be afraid of. Okay, is this sha coming up. So you've got really increases microcirculation, and you can really see it here. So it's really important not to be afraid of that sha. Obviously there are counterindications, so don't do this on any kind of skin problems, acne, or any kind of problems like that. So any eczema, you don't want to do it then. All right, or any bruising, so leave it then. But you can see how this beautiful sha is coming up. Gua sha stands for breast stroking, and that's exactly what we're doing here. So you can see, so what that's doing is really moving, allowing the body to release heat, and heat is the biggest reason in Chinese medicine for problems, and also lack of circulation. You want to get the lymphatic fluids moving in order to release toxicity. So all of that is happening when you see this sha, okay, on your bare skin. Really great for tense muscles. Okay, just going all the way. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not looking at the camera right now, but all the way around here. Again, you'll see it go quite red. And the great thing is you can reach quite easily there and just scrape along there. And obviously if you're lucky enough to have someone around then even whilst you're watching TV, you could just do each other's backs with it as well. So hopefully that gave you a good idea and inspiration on how to use this tool. If you'd like to also find out where this tool is relevant in terms of which lymphatic points, then we can muscle test that as well. If you want to get your hands on one of these and you haven't already, just give me a shout. Take care.